If you want to download your account data from Etsy, follow these simple steps to ensure you have all your information saved securely. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to navigate to your account management page. Step 3. Find the Privacy settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Privacy or Data Privacy section. This is where you can manage your data preferences and request your account information. Step 4. Request your data. Within the Privacy settings, locate the option to download your account data. Click on the Request button and follow any prompts to confirm your request. You may need to verify your identity through email or other means. Step 5. Download your data. After your request is processed, you will receive an email notification when your data is ready. Follow the link in the email to download your account data in the provided format. Make sure to check your email and account settings regularly for updates. Following these steps will help you successfully download your account data from Etsy.